Imagine stepping onto a carpeted staircase or ramp, knowing it's designed to keep you safe. Carpets do more than add comfort and style. They play an important role in preventing slips and falls. Today, we'll dive into how carpets meet the National Construction Code's slip-resistant standards, thanks to a vital report by CSIRO and the Carpet Institute of Australia. The National Construction Code, or NCC, sets strict safety rules for stair treads, landings, and ramps in homes and buildings like offices or schools. For dry areas, surfaces must achieve a slip resistance classification of at least P3, ensuring they're not slippery. Testing every carpet can be expensive, so CSIRO analysed 102 test results to make compliance easier and safer. CSIRO examined carpets from 12 leading manufacturers, tested to AS4586. They looked at fibre types like wool, nylon, and other polymers, and pile styles such as cut or loop pile. The key measure? Slip resistance value, or SRV, where higher values mean better grip. A P3 classification requires an SRV of 35 or more. The findings? With 99.9% confidence, carpets within the tested fibre type and pile thickness ranges meet the minimum P3 standard. This includes wool and wool-rich carpets, with 80% or more wool and pile thicknesses from 4.1 to 15.2 millimeters. Whether cut or loop pile, nylon loop pile carpets between 3.5 and 6.6 millimeters, and nylon cut pile carpets from 3.8 to 8.0 millimeters. CSIRO's report proves carpets can be both safe and stylish. Architects, builders, and regulators can trust these findings for stair treads, landings, and gentle ramps in dry areas. Step confidently with carpets that meet Australia's safety standards. Thank you. Presented by the Carpet Institute of Australia.